The way we like to finish the show is something we refer to as the Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we utilize in our business. It saves us time, makes us more money, or just helps us have more fun. What do you got, Bryan?
So we just had our friends and family event where we rented out a movie theater, did this whole thing. It was great. Someone asked me about a event platform that they were looking into that integrates with Follow Up Boss, I think, or no, maybe MailChimp. I'm like, I have no idea what you're talking about. And I told them, and I think we've done this before, but I'll share it again. We use Eventbrite for our events. The thing that I love about Eventbrite is if you're doing a free event, it doesn't cost you anything. So you can get them to sign up. You can kind of customize the questions. I went a little bit nerdy and had a Zapier set in to where once they signed up, it went to a Google Sheet, so that way our agents could see who had RSVP'd. But you can send emails before and after the event. There's an app to where you can check people in. It's just a really good system. It gets a little bit clunky on the back end. There were some things that took me a while to find, but for a free system, this is probably one of the best free systems we use. And the nice thing is it's not unfamiliar to people. People have seen Eventbrite over and over and over again. It's not some weird, like, I don't know what this is. It's like, oh, okay, I get it. So there's some kind of trust built in there. So that's my widget.
It's cool. I already hit that one, but you can.
I figured you did, but the more I dive into it, I'll probably do it again in 3 months when we do our next event.
Cool. The one I got, Bryan actually talked about propane. I hate the propane process of like going to the gas station or the grocery store where you got to like bring your old tank that's usually got like cobwebs and spiders climbing all over it and it's all rusty and rolls all over the freaking car. It's like literally like putting a cannonball in the back seat of your car and driving.
Except the cannonball can explode.
It could.
So,
and then you like got to get there, and then you're like, well, do I bring the propane tank and set it by the door? But like, what if the creepy homeless guy over there like steals the propane tank? Like, and then you got to go inside, and you're like kind of like side eyeing your propane tank by the front door, hoping the homeless guy doesn't take it. And you're
that's
like,
why you bring your bike lock.
Yeah, it's just awkward, man. So I found a company. It's called Cynch, Cynch. It literally costs the same price as going to the gas station. And all you got to do is when you leave your house in the morning, put your, crusty old, spider-ridden tank by the front door. And when you come home from work, you'll have a fresh new tank waiting for you. It's awesome. And so it is called Cynch. And if you want to hook up, yeah, I'm an affiliate whore.
Damn it.
But I will get you a discount. I actually have like 4 full tanks on the side of my house right now. Oh. But if you want to get a hookup on Cynch, I think they give you like $10 off the first one with the code.
No, then it's a $10 for your first one.
$10 total.
Yeah,
that's so great. Cheap. Yeah,
it's $24 for a refill and $59 for a new tank, or $64 for a new tank.
Okay, well, shoot me a DM at Kyle Whissel. I'll hook you up with my code so you can swap out your propane tanks. Makes your life a whole lot easier.
It's great.
Yeah, it's literally the same price. I have no idea how they make money, but it's not my problem.
Probably investor money.
Yeah, VC money. They're building audience.
No, now they've raised the price and screwed me up. I'm just kidding. I'm still going to do it.
That's that increased energy cost.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, hopefully you got a lot of value out of the show today. Again, I'm Kyle Whissel with eXp Realty in San Diego.
I'm Bryan Kochi.
We'll see you next week.
Later, guys.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.